Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states that one day when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was blessing our company, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam all at once dozed off and then raised his head smiling. We submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what has made you smile? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, right now a chapter has been revealed to me. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited, in the name of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the most affectionate, extremely beneficent. O beloved, we have bestowed you abundance of good. Therefore perform prayer for your Lord and do the sacrifice. Undoubtedly, one who is your enemy, he is cut off from every good. Surah Al-Kawthar. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then asked, do you know what Kawthar is? We submitted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, Kawthar is that canal which my Lord has promised me, wherein lies abundance of good. That is a pond wherein some people of my ummah will come to drink water. Its vessels equal the number of the stars. A man will be driven away from the Kawthar pond. I will whereupon submit, a man will be driven away from the Kawthar pond. I will whereupon submit, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, he is of my ummah. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, you yourself do not know that they fabricated a new religion after you. Another narration says that this incident occurred in the mosque. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 892.